Hey everybody, it's time for science again. Today we're going to continue our search to figure out which two substances make up the mystery mixture. At the end of today's video, you should be able to answer these three check questions. Number one, when you added water to the mystery mixture, bubbles were produced. What was in those bubbles? Number two, what happens during a chemical reaction? Number three, how can I confirm which two substances make up the mystery mixture? When you added water to the mystery mixture, bubbles were produced. What were in those bubbles? Were they there before the water was added? The answer is no. The gas that was formed in those bubbles was a result of a chemical reaction. During a chemical reaction, starting substances change into new substances. Change is evidence of a chemical reaction. Hopefully, yesterday in lab, you were able to test many different substances that you thought could have been the two in the mystery mixture. Hopefully you saw that many of them actually fizzed, as the mystery mixture does when water is added to it. It turns out if you do your experiments carefully, you'll find out there can be 7 different combinations of two substances that will make a fizzing chemical reaction when water is added. They're listed in your science notebook on page 13. It says mystery mixture summary at the top. Today's goal is going to do confirmation reactions where you do 7 different combinations of two substances, as you can see in the substances column of your data table. Using the same materials as yesterday, which include your well tray, your carousel of substances, and your water dropper, we want you to do 7 more experiments today where the recipe for substances is given to you on your data table. We'd like you to make all 7 of these reactions occur in your well tray, including just the mystery mixture. And what we're going to do is let the well tray evaporate over the weekend and take a look at it on Monday. And hopefully by then we'll be able to compare what the evaporated substances look like and determine if we know which the mystery mixture are. So using your well tray, you'll do these experiments listed on page 13, and then your goal is going to be to label your well tray and set it on the windowsill. The labeling is done with a Post-it note. Post-it notes will be set out. What you should do is put your group members' names and class period on your Post-it note, stick it to the side of your well tray, and set it on the windowsill. Then just clean up your lab station and head back to your desk, and we'll continue to talk about chemical reactions. Here we are back at the original page after watching the video. See if you can answer these check questions. When you added water to the mystery mixture, bubbles were produced. What was in the bubbles? Number 2, what happens during a chemical reaction? And number 3, how can I confirm which two